chopping or cutting the tortillas in triangles.
2. To take the tomatoes and the chilies in the fire until they begin to burn.
Step 3. Place the ingredients in the blender and add water to the taste of preference of 1 to 2 cups of water. Step 4. Liquid the ingredients to obtain a homogeneous mix. Do not forget to add garlic salt.
To the heat oil in the pan and add the tortillas.
Step 6. Place the golden tortillas in a sartén and add the sauce and revolve until it is ready. Last to serve, accompany the taste and diffuse.